Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 20, and today I will show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So once you get the device, you will be presented with this screen, the welcome one, and from here you get to choose the language that you want, so you can just scroll down and find whatever you like. I'm just gonna stick with English as it was at the start, and then tap on get started. Then from here select your region. You can choose your region also from a list. You scroll down, tap on next. Terms of use, just tap on checkbox here to agree, and then tap next. Then you have a screen for a SIM card. You can completely skip this. It doesn't really matter if you put the SIM card right now or later on. Then you can set up a transfer data, basically, as you can see here. Choose from where, tap on next. I don't have anything to basically transfer, so it doesn't really concern me. Then connection to network, you can choose your network. I'm just going to tap on mine here. Also, if you don't want to connect to network or you don't have any in your area, you can just tap on skip. Then you can sign in to Google for features like Google Backup and stuff like that, and also for the Play Store. So I'm just gonna put it in here. And then tap on next. You can also skip, as you can see right here. If you don't want to log in, then I'm gonna put in my password, so just give me a moment. And then tap on next, and you should see this screen right here. Terms of use for Google, so tap on I agree. Then you can disable that or enable that backup. So basically your emails and stuff like that will be back up to Google. So if you're on the same account logged in on a different device, you will basically be synced between those devices. You can, as I say, you can disable this. Location, that doesn't really matter. You can enable or disable it at will. And yeah, basically you can go through, read each one of them and see which you want to enable or disable. And for the most part, all of them can be changed later on anyway. Just tap on continue. I'm not planning to use voice assistant, so skip. And then Huawei ID. This will give you access to like themes and stuff like that. You can log into it or register, as you can see, or you can skip it altogether if you don't really care for changing your themes of the device and their Huawei's apps. Cloud, also you can enable or disable it. If you want to store things in the cloud, you can just enable it. I'm not planning to, so just gonna tap on skip. And then you get to choose your fingerprint ID. So you can actually also choose face unlock, but we're gonna go with fingerprint, for instance, here. And then as you can see, it tells you to put a pin. It's one that you would want to choose as a pin, but you can also change the unlock methods to a 4-digit one instead of ones that we have right now. Custom pin, pattern, or password. I'm just gonna choose pattern, and then I'm gonna draw the pattern that I wish. Draw it again, and then tap on done. And then I get to scan my fingerprint. So let me somehow try to get this. This is the power button on the side, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, now it's added. You can also rename it so you know which finger it is, because you can add more if you like, so you can unlock your device with different fingers. But we're just going to keep on this one and not change anything, so tap on OK. And then can also add a face unlock if you like, or you can skip it. Fingerprint might be enough. Enhance services, just gonna tap on no thanks, and later. And then update manually. You can choose update automatically, then we'll do it automatically. And get popular apps, I'm just gonna choose nothing. Later, there we go. And now we're in the screen with the device fully set up with Fingerprint and Google, so you can automatically go into the Play Store and start downloading apps without actually having to log in. So if I quit this, now if I lock the device, I can press the button to automatically unlock it, but for instance if I do it with a different one, it will not unlock. I just need to put in the pattern. So that is basically how you would go through the setup process of the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.